So what's up, my beautiful people? What's up, my beautiful Jamaican fans? Now, there's actually a very sad news in the athletics community of Jamaica, particularly. Now, before I continue with this sad breaking news, I want to give a very good shout out to the Blood YouTube channel, BLURED. So he is the inspiration behind me making this video. And like I said, track fans, this breaking news is going to be one of the saddest news we will be sharing with you guys today. So you have to really tighten up your belt because this news is going to shake you. Because I was shocked. Now this woman you're seeing here goes by the name Tiffany James. I'm talking about the one at the left, snapping a picture with our queen of track and field, Ellen Thompson Hira. Now, this girl at the left called Tiffany James was has represented Jamaica, right, in so many international competitions. According to research, she has represented Jamaica, and she once got a silver medalist in one indoor championship that took place. So definitely, she is quite popular in Jamaica, right? For those of you that are watching this video and you are from Jamaica, you should be able to identify who this lady is because she has been a face to Jamaica. She has represented Jamaica in so many international competitions. Now what happened was she is now banned for 2 years, right? So Tiffany James will no longer be racing in track and field for 2 good years. Isn't that a sad news, track fans? Just imagine yourself in this athlete's shoes. Definitely you will feel sad if you are in her shoes. Now let me read a comment about one Jamaican comment about Tiffany James. He said she represented our country at all level of championship from junior stages to senior. Our first and only world junior 400-meter gold medalist back in 2016. I haven't seen her out since 2022. So what this guy is trying to let you guys know is that this girl Tiffany James have represented Jamaica in so many stages, in the senior stages and in the junior stages. In fact, he went as far as saying that Tiffany James is a 400-meter gold medalist back then in 2016, but he said that he haven't seen her since 2022. Definitely there should be an error, because he said he haven't seen her since 2022. Does that mean Tiffany James is probably banned since 2022? Could it be that the news I'm hearing now could be a rumor, or could it be that it has already happened long ago? Let me hear your opinions.